Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by removing uncertainty. Optimize equipment for both physical and almighty defense, and make sure every party member has an SB plan. Once done, open with buffs and debuffs. Use Taru Kaja or Rakunda depending on your team's strengths. You hit her first gauge using multi-target or multi-hit skills to build momentum and persona gauges. Act quickly to set status resistances because Lavenza's turn order punishes slow setups, so prioritize speed and immediate pressure. You now focus on breaking and capitalizing. Once you find the current weakness, chain skills to stagger her quickly. Stagger windows are short so commit bursts with all multi-hit attacks. Make sure to replenish SB between bursts using ethers or SB transfer abilities and swap in defensive personas if needed. When she changes phase, heal and immediately reapply buffs. This preserves momentum and prevents resets. If you lose a buff, reapply within one turn to stop her heavy AoE from snowballing. You go for the kill by coordinating your strongest combos in the final gauge. Time all-out attacks to avoid wasting stagger windows, and use persona switching to match her final weaknesses. Keep one big heal and a reviver handy so a single mistake doesn't end the run. If things go wrong, check resistances and reforge gear, then grind 2 to 3 levels or farm money for skill cards to fix gaps. Finally, practice the opener to reduce early errors and close the fight cleanly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.